dear children. Now we are on the last question of chapter 3 of chemistry. Now calculate number of aluminium ion 0.051 gram of aluminium oxide. Do you remember the formula of aluminium oxide? If not, you can find aluminium has a valency 3, oxygen has valency 2. So it will be Al2O3 by crisscross formula. Now we have to find the number of ions. So means we are to find in compound, we have to find different kind of particle. This is type 3 of my mole concept questions. So first of all we will find the number of moles. Molar mass, solution, molar mass of aluminium oxide is Al2O3, so means 2 aluminium plus 3 oxygen. Let us get the mass. One aluminium is having the mass of 27 and one oxygen is having the mass of 16. 27 twos are 54, 16 threes are 48 molar, so it means gram should be there. 8 and 4, this is 102 gram. This is the gram molar mass, ठीक है ना? So this is molar mass of Al2O3. Right? Now, but we want to find in this, what are the number of moles in given mass? Given mass is, this mass is represented by capital M and given mass is represented by small m. And small m is given to be 0.051 gram. 0.051 gram. So what we have to find? Number of moles. Number of moles, n is equal to small m upon capital M. This is 0.051 upon 102. So I will remove the point here. 1000 will come down. 51 2s are 102. So I am getting 1 upon 2000 moles. In the given mass, these are the number of moles. And you know, in 1 mole, we are having Avogadro number of particles. See, so we have to find in this much moles, right? 1 mole Al2O3, it is comprised of 2 aluminium ion plus 3 oxide ion. Did you get this? Al2O3, Al के साथ क्या लिखा है? 2. So 2 moles aluminium, 1 mole Al2O3 gives 2 mole aluminium ion and 3 mole oxide ion. Got it? 2 mole aluminium ion and 3 mole oxide ion. But they have asked from us how many are the aluminium ion. So 1 mole gives 2 mole aluminium ion. So it means 1 by 2000. 1 mole Al2O3 has aluminium ion how much? कितने? 2 moles. 2 moles means 2 into N naught. 2 into N naught means 2 into Avogadro number. 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 aluminium ions. Okay, so 1 mole contains these many aluminium ions. So 1 by 2000 mole contain 1 by 2000 into 2 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 aluminium ion. 2 will cancel here because 1000 has come down. So this will reduce the 10 to the power 23 to 10 to the power 20. 6.022 10 to the power 23, and this 1000 it will come up and it will become 10 to the power 20 aluminium ions. I hope you have understood this question. Shall I speak once again? What is there? I think molar mass you have got 102 grams, 2 Al plus 3O. One aluminium atom is having the mass of 27 unit. 27 2s are 54. One oxygen is having the mass of 16 unit. 16 3s are 48. Because we are getting molar mass, so gram will be added here. So molar mass of Al2O3M 102 grams. Given mass is 0.051 gram. We have to find number of moles. Formula is small m upon capital M. It is 1 by 2000. This is the important thing you should know. Al2O3 when breaks up, because we have to get the number of ions. So Al2O3 when breaks up, it gives 2 aluminium ion and 3 oxide ion. If 1 mole will break, so it will give 2 mole aluminium ion and 3 mole oxide ion. And every mole contains fixed number of particles, and what are those? Avogadro number, that is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. 1 mole aluminium oxide has given 2 mole aluminium ion. That means 2 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 aluminium ions. So in 1 by 2000 moles, we will calculate and get this as answer. So with this we have completed the chapter. So I am sure you have understood all the kinds of mole concept, how to convert mass into moles, how to convert number of particles into moles or vice versa, or how to get number of each kind of particle in given mass or in given moles. So with this, mole concept is over. Chapter 3 completed. Keep revising and complete your work in your notebook. Thank you very much.